I have so much stuff. Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Sam Isn't Ready to Move to Disney World because she has nothing packed yet. Hi. Today I am gonna do a apartment haul for my Disney College program. I haven't gotten everything in the mail yet, but I figured I would just show you what I already have and what I plan on bringing and then what I plan on buying when I get down there.
Why am I talking like this?
So let's just get into this haul because there's a bit of stuff. Hi, welcome to my bed. This is the best setup that I could think of to do this because the rest of my room is a disaster. Okay, so I guess I'll start with like bed stuff first. I already know what like color scheme that I want my side of the room to be. Periwinkle, yellow, white, stuff like that. And so my roommate, my prospective roommate Gia, I'll link her channel down below actually. I actually just met her in the city like last week and we got to talk about like our decorations for our room and stuff, and we got to link on the Disney website. We did the whole housing registration thing and she actually did a video, she vlogged me meeting her, so again I'll link that down below. On her side of the room she wants I think coral, yellow, white, something like that. Our whole like room though is gonna be yellow. So first off, I wanted to show you this. I got an Eeyore pillow pet. He's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. He matches my theme, first of all. Second of all, I'm obsessed with Lady the Pooh. If you know anything about me, that is what my entire life revolves around. Also, he's really cute, so I just wanted him just for that. So that's that. For my bedding, I just got something like white and plain. It was like $15 from Target. You know, I didn't want anything crazy. And then for the sheets, I was going insane looking around for like yellow sheets, periwinkle sheets, like something other than white. I just decided to get gray because I've given up. But yeah, so I just got this. I think it's from BJ's or Costco or something. I don't remember. My mom got it for me. It kind of looks blue if you really stare at it hard enough, so I'm okay with that. And then since my bed's like a twin XL, I'm not gonna have a lot of room for like pillows and stuff, so I just bought two little pillows, and this one says my happy place and it's yellow and it's really cute. And then I got this little Peter Pan themed one, and this is Never Grow Up, and I think it's really cute and really simple, and it's just white so it matches. I also plan on bringing this pillow from home. It's just gray and it's fluffy, so yeah. And I got this lamp. It was like $5 from Walmart. How do I open this? Being that my theme was periwinkle, yellow, and white, I also wanted to incorporate some like plants. I wanted to incorporate some plants and like foliage and stuff like that. So I'm bringing these vines that are on my wall right now. I'm bringing a bunch of fake flowers, fake plants. We're probably gonna get real plants because Gia wants to too. So I figured this tapestry would go really well with that. So it's really pretty. It's got like flowers on it and little leaves and stuff. I just think it's really cute and really like simple. So that's gonna go on the side of my bed. Then I just got some towels, yellow, white towels. I really am an over decorator, so I am gonna probably decorate every single inch of my room. I bought some extra, what are these called? Christmas lights? Extra Christmas lights. I'm also gonna bring the lights that are behind my bed. They're like curtain lights, so I'm probably gonna put those somewhere. I got a wax warmer thing from Walmart. It was like $6, which is great. We can't have candles in DCP housing, and that makes me so upset because I'm a candle hoarder. And I'm also bringing my essential oil diffuser. I don't actually know where it is, but I'm bringing that too, so we'll have like a good smelling room, I think. Hopefully. Me and my sister, we did this like mystery box. It was like a Disney mystery box. So we got the box the other day and this was inside of it, and I think it's so cute. It's a little like spoon holder for cooking and stuff. And DCP housing supplies you with like utensils, pans, pots, bowls, mugs, stuff like that, but they don't give you like a pizza cutter and like an ice cream scoop and stuff. So we're probably gonna have to get a bunch of those because I cook. I don't know about my other roommates. I don't know who they are yet, so we'll see when we get there. Okay, I guess we're gonna move into like decor and stuff now, and half of the stuff I bought and half of the stuff I already had from my room. And as you can see, like I'm taking down half of the vines and I took down the rest of the stuff on my walls because I am leaving in 9 days and I have nothing packed yet, so I have to do that. I'm literally moving to Disney so soon. I still don't know where I'm working. I'm on the phone with Disney trying to figure out my role and what's going on with my medical combination, and I'll do a video about that when I find out my role. I'm gonna explain the whole thing. This is just such a stressful time, but I'm so excited. I'm so thrilled that I get to go and work there. So the first thing of decor that I really want to talk about is ears, and I know like every DCP person brings ears and like, oh my god, I want to have an earlobe. But like, I'm cliche like that. I'm really boring, and I want to have an ear wall, and I sue me. Like really, sorry. I've been collecting a bunch of ears both for my trip that I just went on with my best friend, and then even just for like my own decoration purposes. I had an entire ear wall in my room. I have these two. I don't remember where the heck they're from. They're from Etsy though. I loved these. These were so well made and they lasted the entire trip. Humidity and everything. They're not too heavy, so that's really cool. We went during the last week of Flower and Garden, I think, my friend and I, so I bought these on clearance, and they're the violet lemonade ears. I think these are adorable. Then I just got the classic mini ears. Everybody owns these, it's fine. And I'm also trying to get the original rose gold ears because I haven't been able to get them yet. Stack 2 of ears. When I leave, I'm gonna have like 47 pairs of ears and it's gonna be really bad. These are just the Epcot ball little ears. These are adorable. These are really special because I found these at a thrift store actually. I was at Savers and I was about to check out and these were just sitting there and they were $2 and I was like, what's wrong with them? But there's nothing wrong with them. For $2, these are $30 pairs of ears. Like hello. The next 2 pairs of ears I actually made myself. These are like the first 2 pairs of ears that I ever made. I will insert pictures of ones that I made for my best friend for our trip. Those were like prime ears. Those were like my favorite things that I've ever made. But this one I made for Flower and Garden. These were the first pairs of ears I ever made and these are a disaster. These are so heavy. They're like so thick, whatever. These were my sister's, but I'm gonna take them because she's not gonna use them. These are like the old ears that were like horrible on your head and everything. I actually am waiting for a pair of Maleficent ears that I just ordered off of Etsy. When I went thrifting, I found this cute little mug. Really cute. It's from the year 2000, which was the year I was born. And then my favorite thing that I've ever found at a thrift store were these baskets, and they're Winnie the Pooh themed. Like, the fabric is, I have to wash them because like the fabric. Stop texting me. I don't know what I'm gonna use these for. More stuffed animals that I'm taking. My Remy, he looks like a crackhead, but that's why I love him. I'm bringing my Donald because I love Donald Duck. He's one of my favorite characters literally ever. I'm also bringing my Sorcerer Mickey because Sorcerer Mickey, man, like you gotta bring it, you know. And then I have my Harry Potter wand, which I got a long time ago, but it's one of the interactive ones. It's one of the interactive ones, the little thing on the top that you like go around to the stores and bibbidi bobbidi boo, you know? And then the rest of the stuff is just stuff that I had in my room that I wanted to bring with me. I got this from the dollar store, but it like looks decent, I don't know. I had all of these flowers on my wall, so I'm probably gonna put them up on the wall or something like that. I have my really dirty mirror. And then I have my cute little elephant. He's a little broken. He broke on the way to Fredonia when I moved up, but I fixed him with super glue. He's super cute and I love him. So I think that's everything that I can think of right now because I haven't bought everything. Like I said, I haven't like moved in yet, so I really don't know what I'm gonna need for my apartment until I get there, but I'm definitely gonna do like an apartment tour, a room tour, everything to show you what I got, show you like how to organize things, because I'm bringing a lot of stuff down. Probably gonna regret it. Okay, I guess so that completes this apartment haul. I moved to Disney so incredibly soon, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos. I wanna do a DCP bucket list video. I wanna do a bunch just talking about the program and what it is because a lot of people don't know what it is. And my role reveal, which is gonna be really soon. I think we find out in like a week. So I'm like super excited to tell you guys where I'm working. Let me know what you want to see in the comments if you want a specific Disney video, because I'll do it. I don't have any ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!